Okay, we're back. So we got interrupted by the Allen wrench find. Okay, so someone put Allens in here instead of screws. I don't know why you did that. But luckily you have an Allen for it because I didn't bring any metric Allens. Nobody told me that they modified the carburetor.
Oh, we didn't bring a gasket.
What gasket?
The gasket on there wasn't that great.
You mean all that stuff in that box right there behind you?
Oh, great.
I don't know if I have what you need, but there's a bunch of parts there. Are you watching? It's like being on TV.
No, definitely not.
I asked her if he wanted a cup of coffee. He didn't want one.
How about a Coke?
Nope.
You drink Coke?
Trying to poison me now.
All
I see.
right.
I
Well,
see how this works.
I know. Coke is poison. He drinks it.
Why
You name the poison, he eats it. He ingests it.
Perfect. Solve it.
Yeah.
Anything bad?
Brake clean.
Well, I got you very healthy graham crackers. And I got you.
I'm pretty sure when you look on the box, it does not say that.
I got bananas. And guess what the special thing I got?
Oh, shit. Hemorrhoids.
I got.
Pat does.
I got.
Done there. Been there, done that.
Homemade potato salad, cage free.
Now she's trying to poison me. She's trying to poison me with E. coli now. I saw that on TV. They're dying again for that shit. Okay, is by chance is the fuel shut off?
Yeah.
Good. Look at what we got coming out of here.
Want a bucket?
It's not coming out. Who was there? But this stuff here? Look at all this crap in here. What about this car out here? Oh, I tripped and fell by accident. I was going for the hazmat container and I tripped. Sorry.
Whoa.
See that stuff in there?
I guess we didn't clean that out.
See that stuff in there?
Yeah.
That might resemble what's in your carburetor. This is why you're flooding over. See, the camera's supposed to be looking down here so you can see what I'm doing. See all this mucky crap in here?
Yeah.
This isn't really bad, but it is kind of is what it is.
Oh, that's not bad?
No, it's not fungi. It's just mucky. That's just got like dirt and rust and crap. You might have some stuff in your tanks here
Probably.
that resembles something like this. Just kind of knock off the heavy stuff, and we don't really care about the low stuff. Now, you want to know if the accelerator pump works, you push on this button, and it squirts on you. Camera's over here. Okay, it works.
Oh.
I wasn't sure what hole it was going to come out of. Now, you don't like this gasket? It's hard to believe. Which part? Okay. Now this float is the problem. And everything in here is covered with puke. Some of it's cleanable, a lot of it's not. You get tired a good bit. Pillow sucks. It's a ratchet. It's probably about the right height, but I'm guessing it's full of muck in there. What a stupid African I used to have. Let's see. That looks like one right there. It's not the right one. It'll work still. This screwdriver's too big, but it worked anyway. Oh, you didn't need that, did you? There's a pin. Where'd the needle go?
That I don't know.
I don't need the carburetor anymore, so it's somewhere. It doesn't look too bad in there. It's got a little bit of crap in there, not too bad. Alright. Okay. That's where the needle go.
Oh,
Drop somewhere.
fall on the ground.
Somewhere. I'm assuming there was one in there.
Must have been.
Yeah, I don't know. He said it's flooding over a lot. I don't see one. Couldn't have gone far. I found that missing washer though.
Have you got a needle?
Were you missing a washer?
Could have been.
Drop this. Cable's in the way. There's your missing washer. You don't show it on video, do you?
Yeah. Nasty washer.
Yeah, it's the one you lost.
Years ago.
How many years ago did you lose that one?
Who knows?
I don't know. So where did the needle go? I don't see it. Paint's all blistering from fluid. I don't see a needle. I'm assuming you had one in there.
I'm sure there was. Fall on the ground underneath the bike?
No. I don't see it. Bro. Couldn't have gone far. It only fell right to here. Oh, there it is. Found it.
You see it?
Yeah, it's right here. It's right there in front of you, see? See right there.
Oh, yeah.
See that thing right there?
Yep.
It's right in there. See that thing right there? See that thing? It's right there. Right in plain view. I don't know why you didn't see that sitting there.
I'm blind too.
Okay, you want to make sure it's smooth and not groovy. Appears to be smooth and not groovy.
Be.
Springy works. Oh, looks good.
Still in good shape?
Yeah, looks good. Oh, why it's flooding over. Oh, that looks good. Maybe just you was for flooding over. Where did the other yellow screwdriver go? I resemble this one right here. So he went like this, looked through it.
Yeah.
You know what? There's a hole in it.
That's a good, right?
It has a hole in it. I don't know if it's the right size hole, but it has a hole in it. Oh, this one's not buried in the hole. You can get to this one too. Turn that until it moves on you. The hole appears to be, the jet appears to be kind of used. So you hold the screwdriver with your finger and hold it in the center.
Yeah, it's nice.
That's why they're dimpled like that. Of course, the carb is bouncing all over the place, is not helping.
Right.
Is that nice and clean and not plugged up? Does that have a hole through it?
Yep.
Perfect. That's what we want to see. And pull the emulsion tube out. Look at that. Yeah, it looks like it's weighing less than 10 millimeter. You know what that means? It's this size right here.
I don't think we had that up.
You didn't have that out?
No.
Can't turn the bars, they're too far up. Actually, I can't take that out because it has to come out through the top. Yeah, that's right. It doesn't drop out the bottom. Maybe it does drop out the bottom.
What is that, Ken?
It's your needle jet needle, whatever they want to call it.
Oh.
Looks okay to me. Doesn't look plugged up. It's alright.
So you think the float just needed adjustment?
I think I just had crap in there and it's flooding. I'm not seeing anything really wrong with anything. There's your needle right here. See your needle?
Mm-hmm. Oh, you know what? We did have that off.
You go like that, you can see more of your needle. See?
Uh-huh.
Goes in there like that. Before it falls out, you put the nut back on the bottom. Where did it go? What do I do with the brass tube? Okay, where'd it go?
No.
Me either. Yeah, we don't need it, do we? Pull it out to it. Right here, probably. There it is. It's trying to get away.
Ah.
See, all that stuff looks clean, which is a good thing. Press the wrench right there. So now it comes down to these. Are these actually the size they're supposed to be, or are they plugged up?
I have no idea.
Me either. It's pretty chewed up though. You see how dirty it is in the thread, but over here in the working part it's not too awful bad, but it's got a little bit of junk on there. But the holes look like they're pretty open, so.
Mm-hmm.
But they can be restricted a little bit and look open but be smaller than they're supposed to be. There's a big hole in that sucker.
Did you did you bring something to push through the hole?
Yep. I also brought some new jets, but I have no idea what these are because I can't read them.
Me neither.
Pretty chewed up. Yeah, I can't even see the numbers on that thing at all. If you polish them too much, you rub the numbers off. I don't know what size it is. Can't tell. Alright, we'll clean these up. We'll be back.